Guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to start off by introducing the two vehicles that we have for this series. The first one is a donor truck. It has a 5.7 350 SS. This truck is a 89 Chevy Silverado 1500. What we are going to do is take that 5.7 350, take it out of that Chevy and throw that in to our project truck, which is a 91 GMC Sierra SLX. This truck has a 4.3 5-speed manual transmission. So the point of the video today is going to be taking this 350 out of this Chevy. So when we bought this Chevy, the first thing we did was make sure that that 350 runs. Guys, getting back to the project truck, what we're going to need for this 350 to be able to work with this 5-speed transmission that comes with a 4.3 motor, we are going to need the clutch, we're going to need the flywheel, we're going to need the pilot bearing. We are going to have to grab the motor mounts that come with the donor truck. We're going to have to grab those motor mounts that come with the 350 and put them into the project truck. That way that 350 can go ahead and mount in there. Well, that's enough talking. Let's get straight to the video. This is part one of building this 91 GMC. We're gonna paint it, bodywork, interior with the 350 automatic. Transmission's already out. I'm gonna go ahead and take this 350 out. And we're gonna slap it up in this 91 GMC. Go ahead and pop the hood, brother. We're gonna go ahead and take this 4.3 out and slap that 350 up in here. Obviously this fan shroud gotta come out. You can give it space. Everything should be the same. We are gonna go ahead and take the computer off of the 350, slap it in here. Alright guys, so this motor's ready to get out. We got the motor mounts out. We're just going to take this light, maybe the hood off, and should be ready to go. There it is, the 350 is out. We're gonna go ahead and put it on some blocks right here. It was easier for us to go ahead and remove the radiator support. We just unbolted it, moved it forward. That way we can get everything out together. The fenders, we did remove them so we can go ahead and loosen this up. But it was all pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Well guys, here it is. 350's out. We are going to go ahead, replace the valve cover gaskets on this, oil pan gasket. All of this, we're going to keep it on. We are going to change, let me show you guys real quick. We are going to change the power steering pump because it's leaking. It's no good no more. So we're going to change the lines and the pump. and then we probably will change the pulley. We are going to change the serpentine belt, and I think that's it. We are going to do a tune-up, so it'll be oil change, spark plugs, boots, and other than that, I think it should be ready to go.
Okay guys, so today we didn't really show you guys step by step on how we remove the motor, but if you guys stay tuned for part 2, we will show you step by step on how we take these motors out. They are pretty much the same, the only difference is the size of the motor. So we will show you guys where the ECM is located. We'll show you guys what bolts have to come off, what connections we have to disconnect, what stays with the motor, what stays with the truck, and how we pull it out. So thank you guys for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.